In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gold on Trading 212. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top left here and you want to click on whatever it says. For me, it's invest, and you want to switch over to CFD. So you will have to have a CFD account to be able to actually trade it. As you can see here, it says gold. So click on that, and you can open a real one or practice with virtual paper money. Currently, I am on my practice mode, practice account, but of course, this is going to work the exactly same way if you have your real account and if you're on mobile as well. It's pretty much the same thing. So to buy gold over here on the left, you can see there's your watch list, stuff like that. You want to click on commodities, and here you can find gold. So it says gold. You simply want to click on it, but if you can't find it, go to the top right and you can just search for it in here, and then you can just click on it and it's going to basically populate on this chart over here. So you can click here or there, and then you can see gold here, and to buy it, you want to click on the buy button over here on the right. And then of course you can select either value or quantity that you want to buy. So for example, let's say I want to buy 50 euros worth of gold. I can do that. In this case, I can't because it says that the minimum is 100. So I'm actually going to do 200 over here just to be sure. There we go. And then you can, of course, set a limit or stop order, which I'm going to do right now since the markets are currently closed. But if they're not, you'll be able to buy at the current price as well. So I'm going to buy at this price over here. There we go. And you can set your take profits or stop losses as well if you want to. That's optional. And then you can click on order details to see all the details regarding your order. Then you can just click on place by order, and that way you've successfully essentially bought gold on Trading 212. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.